Hi guys, my name is Kathy. I'm an Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal, and this is gonna be my very first video, my very first upload for my YouTube channel. So I'm hoping that you guys would like and subscribe to my channel and come join me as I share with you bits and pieces of my life, show you the things that I love, what I love to do, and things that I want to see and experience. So for today's video, I am actually gonna show you how I do my favorite red makeup look. Red is my favorite color, and that is within my comfort zone. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. So I already prepped my skin with some primer. Kailangan kasing mag-set muna siya at saka mag-dry bago mo start patungan ng mga products. And for those, ito yung mga products na ginamit ko. I have Ulta Beauty Youthful Glow Primer Serum. So I used this one. And then together with that, I also used Mario Badescu Vitamin C Serum. And then I also have Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. And then this one, the It Confidence in a Cream, Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream Anti-Aging Armor. So I put all of those together and let it sit and then dry bago ako mag-start sa makeup routine ko, which is foundation yung susunod. So now I have here It's Your Skin But Better CC Illumination. So that's what I'm gonna use as my foundation. So normally I just use it like this. Lalagay ko lang ng ganyan. Tapos with a brush, scatter ko lang siya sa mukha ko ng tulad nito. So actually, first time kong gumamit nitong product na to. Nabili ko lang to, last Friday yata. Tapos, sa Ulta kasi ngayon, or I think any cosmetic store, they won't let you do some skin testing with the products anymore kasi nga dahil sa COVID and virus, parang masyado silang protective, at saka hindi mo na basta-bastang nahahawakan or natatry out yung mga products. So magbe-base ka na lang doon sa mga pictures na naka-display doon sa doon sa store nila. So sa akin naman, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung talagang kulay na hiyang sa akin or yung products na bagay sa akin. So talagang nahirapan ako mamili ng products na hindi nasusubukan sa store because I don't know. And hindi din sila ganun ka less expensive, they're a bit pricey. So parang nahihinayang ka or nagdadalawang isip ka to buy the actual size, tapos turns out na hindi pala yun yung skin tone mo pag tinry out mo na nasa bahay ka na. Although pwede mo naman isauli, may return policy naman sila, but it's just a waste of time and talagang hassle pag hindi talaga tama yung nabili mo. And ako yung tipo na hindi nagkikip ng receipts, kaya pag hindi yung sa akin, I'm stuck with it. So, I'm done with that CC cream. Now I'm going to use my NARS foundation. It's the shade Stromboli. So, ito actually, na test ko to sa store. So, the lady there actually helped me find this shade. Kasi, yun pa nung time na, na wala pang COVID. And, yeah, matagal na tong product sa akin. But I still use it. Still works and looks nice. Yan yung ko talaga, hiyang sa akin na kulay. So, I'm gonna do it like this. Pati yung leeg. So, maraming mistakes na nagagawa yung ibang tao na when they are putting makeup on, they don't include the neck. So, pagdating sa mga yung nasa labas na sila na nasa natural light or pag nagpapa-picture and stuff like that, ito lang yung maganda, maliwanag, illuminated, pero dito maitim or hindi pantay yung kulay. So, always make sure that you include your neck whenever you put makeup on. Okay. So, that's how it looks. Now, I have It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. So, nilalagay ko muna siya dito sa kamay ko, like this. Then, biniblend ko bago ko siya ilagay dito sa under eye ko. So, kung hindi masyadong maganda yung lighting ko, pasensya na po. At masyado na ako excited na mag-video, kaya dito na ako nakaplastada sa banyo using the light here. So you put it like that. So tap mo lang. There. Tapos, I have here Anastasia loose setting powder in banana. So, shake ko muna. And you have that. Then I have a dry sponge. So what I do is do like this and then put it here. Para mabake. So there are actually a lot of ways to put your makeup on. Marami ding steps na iba-iba kung ano yung nauuna at ano yung last na nilalagay. But for me, ito yung ginagawa ko. So you let it bake like that. Dito. Like that. So, after that, sa mata naman tayo. So, I am using this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion Anti-Aging. So, as you can see, maliit lang yung binili ko kasi nga gusto ko munang itry yung mga products before I actually buy the regular size. So, ito parang mga travel sizes lang. So, I just put it here. Tapos, using my finger, ganyan ko lang. Including dito. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I am going to use this Morphe. It says Bronze Mocha 25B palette. So, wala siyang pangalan, wala siyang number. So, ituturo ko na lang kung ano yung ginagamit ko. So, for the first shade, I am going to use this one. Right here. So, you go like this. So, susundan mo lang yung fold ng ano mo, ng eyelid mo. Ito minsan, nagiging problema sa akin kasi masyadong malalim yung fold. So, kapag nakatingin ako ng ganon, ng straight, hindi mo makikita yung kulay na nilalagay ko kasi nga natatabunan sa fold ng eyelids ko. So, I have to go a little bit higher para makita yung kulay. Which is something na hindi pa ako masyadong comfortable kasi parang kumbaga yung fold ng mata ko, yun yung parang tracer ko. And going outside that tracer, parang feeling ko hindi pantay yung nalalagay ko na makeup. So I go like that. And then I am going to just blend it para hindi masyadong harsh yung pagkakalagay. Yun lang. Blend palabas. Yan. And then after that, I am gonna go with the darker shade dito sa outer part, which is this one. That's what I'm gonna use. So, go like this. And just work your way papunta sa inner part ng mata mo. And then, brush it inward like this. Mali pala yung inuha ko. Dito pala. So, you do like that. So, may darker shade na siya dito sa labas. Then, work your way in. Same goes to the other eye. So, making this YouTube channel, actually, matagal na tong sinasabi sa akin ng mga kaibigan ko. But, parang, hindi kasi ako mahilig makipag-usap, especially like this. So, sabi ko, magiging boring lang yung video ko. Kasi, I will talk less. Yung parang, I can do stuff, but I don't really talk. Pero sabi nila, just be yourself and para ka lang nagkakwento. Lalo na kung gusto mo yung video mo is like, parang interactive na for fun, kumbaga. So, this one is basically for fun for me, which I think I will enjoy. So, hopefully you guys will too. You do like that. So, parang may dimension na siya na darker to light. Ganun. So, basically, ito yung parang comfort zone ko na style of putting my eyeshadows. But since I kind of want to explore and be playful with this hobby that I have, why not try out some new things with new colors? And I mean, just try it out. If it works, it works. If it looks ugly, then it's ugly, you know. So yun sinasabi nila, just don't be afraid to try new things. And kung pangit man, at least you learn that you did something and it just did not turn out good, and that's fine. Nobody's perfect. And also, yung mindset ko pa this whole time is that when you want to look really pretty and glam, dating iniisip ko, you have to buy really expensive makeup. Kasi yung mindset ko was, if they're expensive, they better work. They better look good on you. So, kumbaga, ina-underestimate ko before yung mga products na yung masasabi nating affordable. Kasi parang iniisip mo niya, yeah, it's affordable, but what's in it? Yung parang baka masisira lang yung mukha mo or it will not look good, stuff like that. Yan yung mentality ko dati. But then, I saw this very beautiful YouTube gal, and I'm actually subscribed to her channel, and I've been following her. I've been watching her videos, and she's a really good makeup artist here in the States. And pinakita niya doon not just the perfect things that she's doing, but also the imperfect things. So she showed how she would buy a product that's worth like $60 or more, and then tinatry niya because it has a brand name and this and that. So she thinks that, you know, maganda yung product, it will work on her skin tone, complexion, skin type. But then it turned out na hindi. So sinabi niya doon na just because it's expensive doesn't mean that it works for you. It may work for other people, but not for all people. It's not for everybody. So doon ako nagkaroon ng confidence na parang you don't have to have very expensive makeup. Sure, you can, you know, if you really want it, but yun nga sabi niya, just because it's expensive doesn't mean that it works, and doesn't mean that it's a good product. So you still need to explore, and being beautiful doesn't really have to mean you have to really spend that much money. So, well, actually, this is just a gift, a birthday gift from my friend on my birthday. So I'm actually enjoying this one, and I love the colors. So back to my makeup tutorial. I already did that one. It looks like that. So I want to add more depth on the side. So I am going to use this color here. So para siyang brown, maroon, burgundy mix. Tsaka may konting shimmer, which I like. So I'm gonna put that on the very end to really make that dark edge here. So kung hindi man perfect yung lighting ko, pagpasensyahan nyo na po muna. At I'm still trying things out here. Kung ano yung mag-work. So it looks like that. And then dito naman sa gitna, kailangan mo ng something bright or shimmery para mag-pop yung kulay tsaka yung mata mo rin. So, I am going to use, I would say with the red, I love to use this one. Parang gold. Let me shimmer. So you put that and just dab it here in the middle. Yan. Mas maganda siguro kung natural light yung gagamitin para mas makita mo how you really look pag natural light. Kaso, I get up at work at 5 in the afternoon, Monday through Friday, and 4:30 pa lang madilim na. Kaya when I get home, and if I want to do something like this, I really have to use artificial lights. I think that looks good enough. And then you have to also add the same color that you use dito sa under eye, under eyelid, under eye mo. So I will use, I do have a lot of brushes here, but I still end up using the same brushes over and over again. So that's the one that I use for blending. I am going to use, ito na lang, ito pang ginamit ko. So this one again. And then do like this. Okay. And then, pagdating naman dito sa loob, you use the color that you used dito sa gitna, which is the gold one. And then, lagyan mo ng konting kaartihan dito. I'm gonna use this one. Siya kita dahil dito sa light na gamit ko. I'll get there. Okay. So, after that, I am going to do the eyeliner. So, sa lahat ng mga ginawa ko dito, ang pinaka-paborito ko is putting eyeliner on. So, I can get by going outside without anything on my face but eyeliner. So, ito yung, kumbaga, if somebody is saying, kilay is life, lipstick is life, ako naman eyeliner is life. Kahit wala akong lipstick, kahit wala akong pulbos, walang korte yung kilay ko, pero may eyeliner ako, feeling ko maganda ako. So, let me use this one. So, what I do is, kasi yung salamin nandito sa harap ko, but I can lean closer and show you how I do it. So, first is, ilalagyan ko ng linya dito kung saan yung flick ng ng eyeliner ko. Yan. And then once it's there, what I do is, I just slide it from outside to inside like this. There. Tapos, if you fill in mo lang yung mga dito sa loob. Just like that. And there you go. So it goes to the other side. And then, fill in mo lang yung mga hindi na nadaanan ng eyeliner. And that's it. Actually, that took a lot of practice para magawa ko ng isang stroke lang na ganun. But, like I said, ito yung go-to ko talaga na ginagawa. Bahala, walang lipstick, walang pulbos, walang korte yung kilay. Basta, importante, maganda ang eyeliner. So, I have that. Looks good. Okay, so I already put my false eyelashes on and I got the Ardell Mink number 817. So, hindi siya ganun ka dramatic look. Parang natural lang din in a way. So, I like it like that unless I go to like really going out, like date night. Yun, parang mas gusto ko na medyo thick yung false eyelashes ko. But for daytime or yung regular days lang, ito okay na to. Ganito. Tsaka ano siya, magaan. Magaan sa mata. So, everything is set. Lagi ko nakakalimutan ang kilay kasi nga hindi ako masyadong ano sa kilay ko. But, this will not be a complete look kung hindi mo kinortihan or nilagyan ng magandang ayos yung kilay mo. So, I will try my best to make my eyebrows look nice for this look. Let me see. So, I have here the Almay brow pencil. And then, meron siyang spool sa kabilang dulo. Tsaka nandito naman yung parang pen niya. So, ito medyo makapal din ito eh. So, we'll see. Dito ko na lang titingnan. So, you do like that. And then, sa akin kasi, kumbaga nakakorte na yung kilay ko. Kailangan ko lang kapalan. So, I'll do like this. And then slide down. Okay na ba? So, ginaganyan ko muna. And then the other side. And go like that. So, as you can see, mas parang pointy ito kaysa dito. Parang mas arch shape dito sa kabila. So, kailangan mong ipantay. I will follow the pointy one. So, I'll make an illusion of this eyebrow having that pointy end. Like that. Yan. Actually, makapal na siya dito in person. So, after nyan, kailangan mo naman i-set. Or i-blend. Kasi masyadong hard yung kulay. Then you can use the other side as well. Tapos, throughout the day, meron yung mga stubborn hair dyan na uslian sa gilid-gilid. So, you need to have yung parang setting cream or setting mascara para sa kilay. So, this one, I have the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Boost and Set. So, ito actually deceiving. Akala ko, ito yung bote, ito yung handle. Pero, yun pala, baliktad. Ito ang bote, ito ang handle. So, it goes like this. So, actually, konti lang ang laman niya. But, it goes a long way. So, because you really need only a tad of the product. And then use like that. Para mag-set lang siya. Kumbaga, para siyang gel. Kung ang buhok mo ay may gel, may kilay mo ay may ganito din. Para mag-behave yung mga buhok. Tsaka mag-set siya. Okay. And then for my cheeks, next time I'll show you yung full glam talaga with contour. But right now, I'm only gonna do the basic. So, this is pretty much looking good. What I'm gonna do is put this. This is actually Wet n Wild Fergie. Ganito na siya kaluma. Nawala na yung ano niya. But I still use it and I like it. So, para siyang blush slash bronzer. Shiny. Hindi siya yung mapulang-mapula. So, hiyang din siya sa skin type ko. Kasi sa atin, mga Pinay, unless you're really, really into wild colors, ito yung parang safe. Kasi parang neutral lang yung kulay niya. So, you go like that. goes the other way too. And then I also have this. It's Love Me Makeover Essentials. I have the shimmer powder brush on bronze, and this is really shimmery. I don't like so much shiny, shimmering splendid sa mukha ko. So I only put it to where they should be. And for this one, only dito sa my bone area mo, dito, cheekbone. So only a small dab kasi talagang ano to, concentrated. Just like that. Kaya until now nasa akin pa ito, hindi maubos-ubos. Kasi maliit, konting product lang. Talagang shiny na siya. Tapos, the regular blending brush na malaki. I-ano mo lang. Yung parang i-even out mo lang at saka yung parang i-fade mo ng konti para hindi naman masyadong harsh yung kulay. Lagay mo dito. And here. So, normally, si squeak tong upuan ko. But normally, binibake yung foundation, di ba? But, pero, konti lang yung nilagay ko na Anastasia banana kanina. So, parang nag-soaked in lang din siya. So, I did not have to brush off the excess powder. So, parang naging ano lang din siya, loose setting powder. You do like this. Ingay ng ano ko, upuan ko. Yan. And then, hindi na muna ako magkukontour. Okay lang naman to. So, lipstick. Hindi ako masyadong bumibili ng maraming lipstick. Lalo na ngayon, at kahit saan ka pupunta, you have to wear mask. So, ayokong mag-smudge at saka mag-stain sa, sa mask ko. Kaya pag umaalis ako, hanggang clear lip gloss lang talaga ako. But for this look, since I can make videos and play with my makeup, so I can start using my lipstick. So right now, I'm gonna use this, I think it was Revlon in red, Maybelline, sorry. Maybelline Red Revolution number 630. So this is like a bright red. So it looks like that. Kung nahihirapan kayo na kortihan yung lips nyo, lalo na sa mga lipstick na ganito na yung itsura niya, yung flat na. Kasi di ba pag bagong bili parang slanted para makorte mo yung corners ng lips mo. But pag tumatagal yung kakagamit mo ng lipstick, nagiging flat na siya ng ganito. Kung meron kayong brush na yung talagang maliit, I think I have one here. Something that looks like this. Yan. Mas madali gamitin para ikorte mo ng ganun. And then just go from outside, going in to fill the rest of your lips. And there you have it, my favorite red makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. And again, my name is Kathy, Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal, telling you guys, Please don't let anybody turn you away from your purpose and live life for what it's worth. Bye!